Hello friends, welcome to Passive Money. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I will explain what happened on the budget today. Okay, so I am explaining from 2012 to last year what are the things has happened in the budget today and after the budget and in the same month of the budget. Okay, please before explaining the stock market and please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Okay, and come to the point of the budget day. Okay, so in the list of 12 8 years 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, I made a list of first one, and then so we will explain by one. Okay, so in the year of 2012, so 16th March 2012 we made announced the budget. So on the budget today little bit volatility also will be there, so around 150 points has happened in the budget today. After the budget the market went down. Okay, suppose if you check that one, the market went down. Okay, in the year of 2012. So in the year of 2013, 28th February, see in on budget today we also very big red candle has happened around 200 points guys on the budget day. After the budget the market little bit of went up and then came down. Okay, in the year of 2013. After that in the 2014, so 2014 is the election has happened in the India, right? Central government has announced the election in the year of 2014. That's why on this budget today we haven't seen that much of volatility, but the normal market has happened, and after that budget the market went up. So okay, so after the election the new what we called the government has came, right? The new government has formed. So after the government formed they announced their budget, right, in the month of July, 10th July. Okay, 10th July, suppose here it is. So 10th July of 2014, so the budget, one more budget has happened. So on budget day very much of volatility, almost around 250 point as moments we have seen on that budget today. After that the little bit of downside and then the market went upside. So this has happened in the year of 2014. Okay, so in the year of 2015, so budget has happened 28th February 2015, but it's fall on Saturday. That's why we have the Saturday market was a holiday, right? So next day, next coming Monday, so market went up continuously 3 days. On the third day, the market fall down. So continuously fall down. Okay, so it made after regular pin bar formation has happened on that, and then it will move to the upside and come market has come down. Okay, so in the it happened on 2015. So in 2016, the 29th February 2016, so here it is actually the market we have seen the lot of volatility in the 2016 and made it as a red candle. After that the red candle the market went upside. Okay, so the same thing has happened in the 2017. In 2017 what happened, the 1st February of 2017. So 1st February 2017, so made it as a very huge red candle volatility, and after that budget the market went upside. Okay, this has happened in the 2017. 2017 is the market is very good, was very good actually. So it moved to the all-time high. Also it made it across around of 10,200 kind of strike price. Okay, so in the year of 2018, in 2018 on 1st February 2018 February, three things had happened. The market is volatility also will be there. See guys, one most important point, each and every year on budget day the market always will be volatility because of huge volatility, not a small volatility, huge volatility, upside downside whatever thing has some sometime in 5 minutes candle, sometimes the market will be high, sometime after the 5 minutes the market will be down. So like this will happen every time in the on budget day. This is most important point, keep in mind. Okay, so after the it made it as a red candle. After that one the market went down till here in 2 months the market made it as a low in the year of 2018. Okay, and one most important point here it is actually, uh, yeah, here it is. Okay, in 2019, right? So in 2019, so market, again the election has happened in the Indian central government on 1st February of 2018. 2019, this one 2018 of 1st February has happened. And the next, sorry, something I have miscommunicated. Yes, sorry. In 2019, election has happened, right? 1st February of 2019 made it have not that much of volatility because already election, I told you, as per the election. So it made it a little bit of movements has happened, and then the market went little bit little bit of upside. After that, market went down. Okay, so election has happened. On election day, we have seen the lot of volatility also on 16th May, I think. See, in 16th May, I think on 16th May is result is announced, right? I think sorry, I didn't remember on result day. Actually, I think the 16th, or here it is the gap up also has happened. Okay, this is most important point. So I think again the BJP they announced the result or something. That's why the gap up little bit of so much of gap up we have seen here, and market the direction also has changed. Okay, so in 5th July of 2019, 5th July, July means 7th, right? Here it is. Okay, in 5th July of 2019 the budget has happened, and the market is volatility also was there. And after the budget the market went down because of some recession has happened in that the automobile sectors are falling, so much of falling, right? That's why that the market in 11,981 made it as high on budget today. After that the market went down till 11,000 of 10,000 of 600. That's why, so some much of consolidation is happened also. One media announcement has happened in the month of September. That's why here it is, see, almost 600 points, almost 600 or 700 points, more than 700 points in single day has happened. So I think Nirmal Sitharaman was the, I think, finance minister in the year of 2019, right? So that's why she made a announcement in the month of 2019, September 2019. That's why we have seen a very big green candle in the answer that month. Okay, after the budget. And one more in last year, as usual, so 1st February 2020 I made it on same day. Volatility also will be there, and made a green candle. After the market went upside, and then so COVID came, the market made it as a very low 7,500 of low is made it as that's much of market fallen. Okay, this is happened in all budget in last 8 years. Okay, so one keep in point. Okay, on budget day always the candles are red candles. Okay, only four candles are in green, and the market sometimes came down, sometimes came up. Okay, these are all things have happened in the budget month. Okay, I will explain one strategy I have learned. In next video I will made it of that strategy. Okay, what are the things I should buy? So what is this in next month is budget is there, right? So I will explain a little bit of I think I will try to finish in one video because it long strategy is there. So if it is possible I will make it one, otherwise I will make two videos. Okay, please support me guys, and please suggest me. If you have any suggestions, please suggest me in the comment section. I will keep improve on my side also, because I need to explain the what are the things I have learned in the stock market, right? I need to explain to you guys first. So what are the indicators I have learned? What are the these are the things? What are the indicators I am using? These are the things I will explain in the videos. Okay, please like it this video and share to your friends and family. And if you have any suggestions, please comment it. And if you are any questions also, please comment in the section. So I will definitely I will reply to that comments. Okay, thank you guys, bye.